Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Delofo Films, and today I will be doing yet another 3D printing video. As you can see, I will be 3D printing the security breach models. Yes, I was able to get the models from the security breach video game. These are the actual in-game models, as you can see. And as you can also see, I already has posed them. So basically I made them an FBX file and I basically posed them and I turned them into an STL file, which they are right now. So as you can see, I have Freddy here. So yeah, as you can see, I got Freddy, Chica, Roxy, and of course Monty. So as for this video, I will be doing the main cast. If you guys want to see me print out Vanny, Springtrap, Molten Freddy, or any of the other characters, please tell me in the comments below. If you guys actually want to see me 3D print those models and paint them, I will honestly be glad to do that. So yeah, just tell me in the comments below, and yeah. So yeah, let's get printing. Alright, so as you can see, here they are. Wow, I cannot speak today. Here they are. So of course you got Glamrock Freddy, Glamrock Chica, and of course Roxanne Wolf. I also have Montgomery Gator being made, but he's still being made because he's taking a really long time. It's like a 15-hour print. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint these guys, and then I'll just when Montgomery's done, then I'm just gonna go ahead and paint him. But just to because I don't feel like waiting anymore, I'm gonna start painting these three. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so starting off, of course, we have the main character, Freddy Fazbear, or Glamrock Freddy, however you want to call him. So as you can see, I basically painted him orange, because that was like the closest color I could get to him. And I made the shoulder pads and leggings like a red color, and I made the other, I don't know how you would say that, whatever it is, underbelly, feet, and hands, I made a cream color. I basically tried getting as much detail done as possible. Here is a closer look at him. Yeah, as you can see, I got the face paint, which was a really pain to do. The hat, the earring, and everything. And I mean, it's not great, but at least it's something. Alright, next up we have Bonnie 2.0, aka Montgomery Gator. So this one was actually kind of tricky when painting. I didn't really know what type of paints I should use. So what I did was I used like a lime green for the upper torso, whereas I used a leaf green for the bottom half. I also used like a dark green for the spots on his supposed pants, which I'm guessing it's an alligator wearing gator skin pants. That's a little bit, but as you can see, I got like his gloves. I painted his feet and everything. I tried getting him as best as possible. It was kind of hard because there wasn't that many clear images to look at. These things don't really have that great renders. So yeah, this was Montgomery Gator. Next up we have Glamrock Chica. So as you can see, here she is. This one is actually probably the easiest to make, considering the fact how she's white and my filament was white. So all I had to do was just paint some parts and call it a day. But yeah, as you can see, I basically used pink and purple for her, I don't know what you call that, like, what is that, like a jumpsuit, jumper or something? I don't know. I got her green fingerless gloves, as well as the armbands. And of course on the bottom legs, basically I just did the pattern. I know it's supposed to be like a cheetah pattern and a little like striped zebra pattern, but if I'm gonna be honest, I do not know how to do that. So I kind of just cut the corner and just made little stripes and little dots. There she is. And of course, last but not least, we have Roxanne. As you can see, I actually kind of like how this turned out. I mean, yeah, it could have been a little bit better, but it was not too bad. So you see, I painted in the eyelids and everything. I tried making it as accurate as possible. Her mane, I didn't really paint because I figured since it was white in the game, I'd just leave it white. Her gray tail. I don't know if it's supposed to be white at the end of the tail. I can't really tell. It's kind of hard to see, so I just painted it all gray. You can see I got the shirt and got the shorts. Basically all painted. I tried getting the little detail, little markings on them as accurate as possible. But yeah, and of course on the bottom, you have the zebra striped leggings, which, like I said, I don't know how to do that. No matter what I try, it didn't work, so instead I just painted on little stripes. And yeah, that is Roxanne Wolf. Alright, and that is it for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a dislike. Also, please tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like these figures? Did you hate them? I'd like to hear your opinions down and below. Also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Yeah, it's just a simple click. If you don't want to subscribe, don't go ahead. I really don't care anymore. But yeah, just, it's just an option, just saying. Oh yeah, also, I am currently running a Discord and Instagram. Both links will be down in the description below. I'd highly recommend you checking those out. I am basically really active on them, and I like to reach out to people, and yeah, so really chill. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you guys want to see me 3D print any other animatronics or any other models, please tell me in the comments below, and I will be willing to do those requests with a shout out and everything. But besides that, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you all next time. Goodbye.